Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to set up and use Google Family Link. So, in my country, Google Family Link is not available yet. So make sure first it is available in your region. And once you have used, downloaded and installed the app, you can get it from Google Play Store. Sign in with your Google account. And if your child already has a Google account, select yes to link it. If not, you will need to create one for them. On your child's Android or Chrome OS device, go to Settings and tap on Google Parental Controls. Tap Let's Do This to begin the setup and select the child's Google account. Enter your parent account information to the link to links accounts and set daily limits, downtime and school time schedules. Control app usage, set individual app limits, and block apps. Select content filters to block or allow certain sites in Chrome and some Android apps. Find your child's Android and compatible Fitbit service device location. And there are some other features of Google Family Link. You can locate your child's device if device location is sharing is enabled. Edit your child's Google activity settings, account data, and other settings. And you can also add family members to share Google services like purchases on Google Play. So to use Family Link, you need a Google account, Android device of 6 Plus, iPhone or iPad, or a Chromebook that supports Android apps. In Chrome, Greeter mode is turned off when your child is signed into Chrome with a Family Link managed account. And if you are the parent, you can add supervision to your child's existing Google account and manage their parental controls. If your child is above the applicable age, they can also stop supervision at any time. So yeah, this is how you can just set up and use Google Family Link. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.